Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you some basics for EDA plotting. First, open any browser of your choice, then search Google Colab here. Open this first link. This is one of the popular tools for data science and machine learning. The best thing is that you don't need any pre-installation or setup. It already comes with pre-installed packages and libraries. For creating notebook, click on File, then select New Notebook. You can also here open existing notebook and upload notebook. Then rename the notebook from here. I am putting Dataset. Google Colab has integration with Google Drive that makes easy to share notebooks and collaborate on projects. Now here click on Connect. It is used to connect your notebook to a virtual machine. The need to connect to a virtual machine is that Google Colab is a cloud-based platform that allows user to run Python code using resources that are present on Google server. I am taking Superstore Dataset that I have downloaded from Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform for data science where you can find various datasets. Now it is giving warning that runtime file will be deleted when this runtime is terminated. When runtime is terminated, you again need to upload file. Now we'll import some library. Import count in each column and their data type. Now we'll plot graph. First we'll plot count plot for ship count. We have to store our data frame object, that is df, in the data parameter. It gives total count of each type of ship mode. Now we can see standard class have maximum count. We are plotting same for segment. Here consumer has maximum count. Plotting same for region but kind of bar. Then you have to mention plot kind is equals to bar. Next we'll plot pie chart. I am plotting pie chart for ship mode. We can see pie plot for ship mode. If we want exact percentage value, we can specify auto PCT. Here I am giving 0.2 so that it can display up to 2 digits after point. We can see for standard class it is 59.70. Next we'll plot histogram. Histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data. Here it is a distribution for profit. Next I am plotting histogram for all my numerical column at once. Histogram for postal code, sales, quantity, discount and profit. Next we'll go for dist plot. It is used to create a histogram with a density curve, which is a smooth curve of the histogram that estimates the probability density function of the data. This curve shows probability density function of quantity. Next, box plot. It is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data through their quartiles. We'll plot a box plot for discount.
And same plot for quantity.
In this both plot, we can see where the maximum distribution of data lies. We can also check exact value. Like df discount.mean, it gives 0. That means the mean value of discount is 0. For maximum, it shows 0.8. That is the maximum value for discount. Now mean 0.156 is the mean value of discount. Now median, 0.2 is median. Next we'll plot scatter plot. It is used to create a graphical representation of the relationship between two numerical variables. We'll plot scatter plot for quantity versus profit. If we want more specification, then we can add in this only. Like I have specified U is equals to segment, style is equals to ship mode and size is equals to discount. In this plot we can see blue color for consumer, orange for corporate and green for home office. Size of bubbles determines discount and style is for ship mode. Then one more scatter plot for profit versus sale. Next, we will see bar plot. It is used to create a bar plot for showing graphical representation of the relationship between a categorical variable and a numerical variable. Here I am plotting for category versus sales with respect to segment. Now we can see each plot for each categories. Here U used for grouping the data for a categorical column. One more plot for ship mode versus sales. Yeah, here it is. Next plot is heat map. It is used to represent a correlation in the form of 2D matrix. First, I found frequency distribution between category and region. Then plotting heat map with this distribution. The colors in the heat map represent the magnitude of the correlation. This is the basic for EDA. You can explore more. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.